Whether you're a seasoned pro or just diving into the world of welding, having the right machine can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best semi-automatic welding machine packed with power, precision, and versatility to handle everything from light DIY tasks to heavy-duty fabrication. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Hitbox HBM1200 semi-automatic welding machine. The Hitbox HBM1200 semi-automatic welding machine is a compact yet powerful tool designed for both professional and home welding tasks. This 3-in-1 unit supports MIG, MMA, and lift TIG welding, offering greater flexibility in various applications. Its integrated functionality allows users to complete tasks faster, with a reported 40% increase in efficiency over traditional arc welding machines. This welder is equipped with a user-friendly panel that features adjustable power settings and wire feed speed, providing precise control for different welding needs. The device operates within a current range of 20 to 100 amps, making it suitable for welding metal plates between 0.8 mm to 4.0 mm thick. Engineered with safety and performance in mind, the HBM1200 includes a gasless continuous wire welder rated at 100 amps at 100% and 93 amps at 60%. It comes with essential safety features such as overheat protection, a VRD voltage reduction device function, and a built-in air radiator for efficient cooling. The unit meets Insulation Class F and Protection Class IP21 standards. The HBM1200 is compatible with wire diameters of Phys 0.8, Phys 0.9, and 1.0 mm, and includes a 0.6/0.8 mm threaded drive roller. It handles MMA welding rods such as 6013 and performs well with 7018, supporting work on carbon steel and stainless steel materials. Each unit undergoes testing prior to packaging, which may result in black burn marks on the nozzle, a normal occurrence that assures quality control. Whether you're fabricating at home or in a workshop, the Hitbox HBM1200 offers reliable performance and multi-mode functionality in one compact package. Coming in at number 4, we have the Hizone MIG200 semi-automatic welding machine. The Hizone MIG200 is a multifunctional semi-automatic welding machine designed to cater to a wide range of welding needs. Supporting gas MIG/MAG welding, it allows for precise joins on thin steel and stainless steel with reduced spatter. For fieldwork or outdoor use, the gasless MIG mode offers efficient operation without the need for a gas cylinder, making it ideal for on-the-go applications. The stick welding function is compatible with rods under 3.2 mm, making it suitable for heavy-duty repairs on thick metal surfaces. Meanwhile, lift TIG mode delivers clean, seamless welds on non-ferrous materials such as aluminum and copper, offering a refined solution for precision welding tasks. The dedicated spool gun mode enhances aluminum welding by ensuring smooth wire feeding and reducing wire jams, while the spot welding feature enables rapid metal sheet fixation, especially useful in automotive repair and fabrication work. Thanks to its semi-automatic operation, the MIG200 is beginner-friendly, featuring one-click parameter adjustments and a smooth workflow. Its core is powered by IGBT inverter technology, boasting a high-frequency conversion rate that delivers 85% energy efficiency while cutting power consumption by over 30%. The onboard intelligent chip manages current flow precisely to maintain arc stability and prevent sticking. The unit's dual voltage capability makes it suitable for both home and industrial environments. With a peak current of 200 amps, it handles steel plates up to 1/4 inch thick effortlessly. Designed with mobility in mind, the machine includes a lightweight frame and a convenient handle. Additional features like intelligent protection against overheating, overload, and undervoltage, plus compatibility with external welding guns, further enhance its adaptability for various job sites. At number 3, the Arccaptain semi-automatic welding machine. The Arccaptain semi-automatic welding machine is a powerhouse built to meet the diverse needs of both novice and professional welders. Engineered for performance, durability, and flexibility, this 6-in-1 welding machine supports gasless flux core wire MIG weld, gas MIG weld, stick weld, lift TIG weld, spot weld, and spool gun weld, making it a comprehensive solution for various welding tasks. It features a MIG synergistic setting that simplifies operation. Just select the wire diameter, material type, or gas, and the system automatically adjusts the current and wire feed speed. For professionals seeking precision, manual controls are also available for wire feed speed adjustments. The unit is equipped with a unique LED display designed for easy readability, even while wearing a welding helmet, ensuring a more intuitive user experience. The MMA function includes hot start, arc force, and anti-stick features, enhancing arc stability and ignition. An optional VRD, voltage reduction device, function adds an extra layer of safety by reducing the risk of electric shock. Designed to handle various materials such as mild steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, the welder is well suited for a wide range of applications. Advanced features like burn-back adjustment, adaptive crater control, and pre-flow/post-flow functions improve welding efficiency and quality. With a dual voltage input of 110 volts by 220 volt and an included adapter, the welder offers flexible use in multiple environments. Its fan-on-demand cooling system ensures optimal performance while reducing energy consumption and noise. Additionally, users can store up to 10 parameter groups for each welding mode, streamlining repetitive tasks and increasing workflow efficiency. The Arccaptain welder is a complete, portable solution built to deliver powerful and reliable welding in any setting. In the second spot, we have the Decapower Fusion semi-automatic welding machine. The Decapower Fusion semi-automatic welding machine redefines flexibility and ease of use in modern welding equipment. Designed to cater to both professionals and beginners, this machine offers a wide array of features that make it a standout in its class. At the heart of the Fusion is a large, user-friendly interface. The intuitive control panel with a generously sized screen simplifies operation, making it accessible even for those new to welding. Whether you're setting it up for MIG, MAG, MMA, HF-TIG, or cut, switching modes is seamless thanks to the machine's advanced 6-in-1 functionality. Beyond its multi-process capabilities, the Fusion is engineered for durability and consistent performance. It features a high-efficiency cooling system that ensures stable operation during extended use. This makes it ideal for demanding tasks that require long welding sessions without overheating. Adding to its versatility is the PMC205 cutting function, which allows the Fusion to cut materials up to 16 millimeters thick. This expands its utility beyond welding, giving users a comprehensive tool for fabrication and repair work. The machine's wire feeding system is equally impressive. Equipped with a robust 4-roller, double-driven mechanism, it provides reliable and smooth wire feeding, crucial for maintaining weld quality across various materials and thicknesses. Overall, the Decapower Fusion is a powerful, feature-rich welding solution that combines ease of use with professional-grade performance. From fabrication shops to home garages, it's designed to handle a broad spectrum of welding and cutting tasks with precision and efficiency. And finally, at number 1, we have the Andeli MCT-520DPL Pro semi-automatic welding machine. The Andeli MCT-520DPL Pro semi-automatic welding machine is a versatile all-in-one machine designed to meet the demands of both professionals and skilled hobbyists. With support for multiple welding and cutting modes, it brings flexibility and precision to a wide range of metalworking tasks. One of its standout features is aluminum welding capability. The MIG mode supports pulse function, enabling effective welding of 1 to 5 mm aluminum plates with stable arcs and improved control. For carbon steel, the MIG mode accommodates 0.8 to 10 mm thickness, allowing users to switch between gas and gasless welding simply by adjusting the wiring method and selecting the appropriate welding wire. The MCT-520DPL Pro also integrates a contact plasma cut function. This allows quick and clean cutting of steel plates up to 8 mm with a maximum capacity of 12 mm. This feature provides an efficient solution for cutting through thick metals without the need for a separate plasma cutter. For delicate tasks, the cold welding function in TIG mode is ideal. Designed for thin stainless steel plates between 0.4 and 3 mm, it minimizes heat distortion and enhances control for fine work on sensitive materials. This makes it especially useful for applications requiring precision and minimal thermal impact. The MMA function is tailored for continuous welding using 3.2 mm electrodes, offering strong penetration and adaptability in various environments. Whether working with mild steel or structural components, the MMA mode ensures reliable performance in demanding scenarios. Overall, the Andeli MCT-520DPL Pro is a compact, multifunctional machine that combines MIG, TIG, MMA, and plasma cutting into one unit, making it a powerful tool for diverse welding needs.